Hello everyone, in this topic I'm going to discuss the topic limit. Find the vertical and the horizontal asymptote given that the function is x squared over x squared plus 2. Step number 1. Find the domain. How to find the domain? First, observe the situation. Given here we have a quadratic function and the domain would be negative infinity until infinity. Second, refers to the denominator. We have a quadratic as well. So in this case, x squared plus 2, there is no value that cannot be accepted. So the domain will be negative infinity until infinity as well. So finally, after the intersection, because we have divide, the operation will be intersection. And our final answer would be first, the domain. Domain for f equals to negative infinity until infinity. Here we have the domain. Second part would be the vertical asymptote. How to find the vertical asymptote? By referring to the domain. So in this case, the domain is all real number, so there is no vertical asymptote, meaning that vertical asymptote does not exist. Step number 3, we are interested in the behavior. Since there is no vertical asymptote, automatically there is no behavior can be observed in this part. Step number 4, horizontal asymptote. How to find the horizontal asymptote? Limit when x approaching negative infinity. Another part, we have limits when x approaching positive infinity. For the function, x squared over x squared plus 2. Same goes to the left. X squared over x squared plus 2. Now we begin with the left. If we substitute the value negative infinity, and we will have positive infinity for the numerator, and same goes to the denominator. So in this case, we denoted it as IDF or indeterminate form. So what is the strategy that can be used in this case? Dividing the numerator and the denominator by referring to the power of the highest power of x for the denominator. Repeat, divide the numerator and the denominator by referring to the highest power of x in the denominator. So in this case, the denominator is x squared plus 2 and the highest power would be x squared. So limit when x approaching negative infinity, factor out the x squared over x squared and we can simplify the situation. So from here, if we substitute negative infinity into this part, we will obtain 0. So finally, our answer will be approaching 1. Next, repeat the same situation. Limit when x approaching positive infinity. So we will have 1 over 1 plus 2 over x squared. So for this situation, substitute the positive infinity into this part and we will have 0. So finally, we were approaching 1 as well. So horizontal asymptote is y equals to 1. So here we are, and thanks for watching.